A good Thursday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Ben Derry. Thanks for checking out KARE 11 Plus. Easily the coldest morning of the season so far, and for many of us, it was the first sub-zero of the season. Not only that, but for at least the Twin Cities, it was our earliest sub-zero reading, earliest of the year in more than 10 years. You have to go all the way back to, I believe, 2014 to find an earlier first sub-zero of the season, and officially we're dropped to 5 below at MSP. Areas outside that the urban heat island saw temperatures in the double digits below zero. You can see Eveleth up along the Iron Range saw 21 below, Cook 20 below, Siren in Wisconsin saw 17 degrees below zero, 15 below in St. Cloud, and even Eden Prairie at Flying Cloud Airport, you can see 10 below zero. These are air temperatures. You factor in that wind, and we certainly saw wind chill values in the teens and 20s below zero. We're out of the cold, but we have more opportunities at seeing sub-zero temperatures as early as Sunday morning and possibly again Monday morning before a more sizable warming trend as we head into the middle part of next week. What's been kind of nice about the cold temperatures is it tends to give us some really cool atmospheric optics. Case in point, we saw light pillars last night. This picture was from Becky, and this looks like it's something from space, right? It's not aurora. These are not meteor showers or anything like that. This is all ground-based light, so maybe street lamps, backyard lights, things like that. And what's happening is we need several things in place to see light pillars. We need calm wind, which is what we had last night. We need temperatures about 0 degrees or colder, which we had, and we also need lots of ice crystals in the lowest levels of the atmosphere. So these ice crystals, they're basically acting like a million tiny mirrors that send light towards our eyes in the form of these pillars. And depending on the shape of those ice crystals, you get different shapes. So we saw those light pillars last night, and you got another chance next time we see those cold temperatures returning to the forecast. So that Arctic high is now off to our east. We're on the backside of that high pressure system. High pressure systems, at least at the surface, they spin clockwise, so that's why we have winds from the south, and temperatures will be warming up through the day today. We'll probably see daytime highs in the teens, but by the time we get into the evening hours, usually you see temperatures cool off. Not the case tonight. That wind will stay southerly, and the temperatures will continue to rise through the night tonight, probably starting off Friday morning near 20 degrees, and we're going to peak in the upper 20s to even near the freezing mark in some locations by Friday afternoon. So get it ready for a lot of up and down in your forecast over the next week or so. We are on the upward trend now. Once we get into the weekend, we're going to take another dip in temperatures. And the reason for the up and down temperatures is we're on an active storm track right now. We have a very storm system or a storm track, I should say, which is ripe for clipper systems. So further to our north and east, that's where that Arctic air lies. Warmer conditions further south and west, and we're kind of on that dividing line right now. So any weather system that approaches us, initially we see temperatures warm up, and then behind that system, temperatures crash again. So that's why we have the roller coaster temperatures. This active weather pattern will give us several chances for mainly light amounts of snow over the next week or so. We have 3 or 4 separate weather systems that are forecast to move through here over the next week or so that, again, could bring us at least several inches of snowfall, kind of nickeling and diming our way to several inches of snowfall by the end of next week. There's our Arctic high moving away from us. You can see a breezy south wind. Our next weather system already providing some light snow for areas in along the international border. Piece of this system giving us maybe a dusting to up to a half an inch in places as we head into Friday. Light amounts of snow, but again, just a heads up, anytime we see these light amounts of snow, people think, oh, it's not, a foot of snow, roads are going to be just fine. Sometimes it's not the case. We just need to be more mindful of these snow chances, especially when we have cold temperatures around in the forecast as well. So this is Friday, mid-morning. You might see that light coating of snowfall. Brief break by Friday afternoon into Saturday morning. Here's system number 2, mainly taking a slightly southerly route. You can see areas in southern Minnesota, Iowa, that Minnesota-Iowa border, a better chance at more measurable snowfall. We're kind of on that northern edge of this system here in the Twin Cities with little to no snow across northern Minnesota. Another break heading into Sunday, but this means cold temperatures, so another Arctic day on Sunday, followed by yet another system taking a similar path as we head into Monday, and potentially more snow opportunities the middle part of next week as well. So it's a lot of chances at, again, light amounts of snow. This is just Friday's system, and you can see a pretty broad brush, a dusting of snow for many of us, up to an inch of snow. You can see this darker blue shaded area, Minnesota River Valley, south central Minnesota. Best chance at seeing an inch of snowfall. That's on Friday. Let's fast forward to Saturday, and again, this system is trending a little bit further south, so areas in that deeper blue, better chance of more measurable snowfall. Areas along and north of I-94, probably little to no snowfall on Saturday, and it looks like things wrap up as we head into early Sunday morning. So here's a look at that weekend forecast for Friday. That's by far the warmest day. 20s region-wide, followed by that cool down, probably teens on Saturday, and single digits for forecast highs as we head into Sunday. For today, Arctic air is in place, but that southwesterly wind will warm us up through the day. Wind chill value likely in the teens to near 20 below early, but again, that temperature warms throughout the evening hours and throughout the night. There's your peak and valley 7-day forecast, near 30 heading into Friday. Falling temperatures a good chunk of Saturday with more of that light snow further south. We bottom out both Sunday and Monday morning, another shot at near zero, followed by additional chances for light snow next week.